Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an EVM wallet address in Metamask. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is open up the Metamask app on our mobile device and make sure to log in. Then from here, we need to tap on the compass looking icon on the bottom of our screen here. And now once you clicked onto it, click onto the URL at the top and delete it. Then from here, we need to type in coredao.org. So type it in here, coredao.org, and then hit enter. Then after that, you'll be taken to this page here. Then from here, scroll all the way to the bottom of this page and click on Add Core Network. And then this page will appear. From here, just simply go ahead and click on Confirm. Then after that, it will say you have switched to CoreDAO. Then from here, just simply click on Got It. And that's how simple it is to create an EVM wallet address inside Metamask.